Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can add a text box in Canva and how you can change the color of the text box, right? As you can see, we have selected a blank template and now we are going to click on the text icon in the left side toolbar and then select add a heading. Okay, now we are just going to type text box, right? Now there are multiple ways to add text box. The first way and the basic way is to just select the text and click on the effects, and here you will find the background, and here you can simply change the color of the background, right? And you can increase or decrease the roundness of the box, right? And as well as you can increase and decrease the spread as per your requirement. You can also increase and decrease the transparency, right? Now let me tell you the another way. Okay, I'm duplicating the text, right? And here I'm just removing the effect as of now and just making the text again black. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to go to the elements, and here you can simply search for wireframe. Into the graphics, wireframe box frame. You can also select this kind of box frame, right? Or again, let me tell you the another method. Text box you can search for in the elements and you will find lots of text box graphics, right? So we are into the graphics as of now, and you can see here is a text box, right? You will see the magic recommendations as well. So in this way you can simply add text boxes in your design using Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.